I got the small version of the Impression 360 ml. So we have Impression 360 ml. Now we have the same version in a 301 ml. Because people, they say, I like the 360, but it's too big. I want 30-foot fifth wheels, but same floor plan where you have a big circle dinette tables with the 4-bar stools, office, theater seating facing the entertainment center with the hidden storage, big kitchen, dishwasher, as well as the versatile king-size bed, you name it. So what is behind me is the brand new floor plan, new 2026 Force River Impression 301 RL ML. Now, Impressions, they're very well known. I like what they do between the big windows and the power awnings and the LEDs and the features. So when you walk inside the unit, you feel you're in a house. You're not in a recreation vehicle. From the fifth wheel standpoint, they have a really high profile front cap with a gel coated. So this is a gel coated fiberglass painted. So this is a pure paint. This is not a decal. You could feel it, it's smooth soft. So painted gel coated cap in the front. I love this LED light in the front and this side as well in the side. And then there's one big one in the center. This makes it so bright. Even when you back up your fifth wheel hitch and you try to hitch it up to the Kempin box, could you see at night? Some of them barely you could see. Here's I could see when I back up, I could see what I'm doing right there in my truck bed. Now, you have another floodlight in the front with lights. Beautiful clearance light. Now look on the side. What is give you impression? They're very well known for the big view window. So you have a big view windows on these 301 ml. Big windows. Nice power awning. As a matter of fact, 2 power awning with LED lights. You have one here, one there. You have the auto leveling system, the legs behind the axle and the legs in the front of the axle. Entry assistant handle, 4-step to get in. You have a TV outside hookup right here. And pass-through storage, magnetic cabinet. You could see it's aluminum constructions, the LED light, the 30 amp solar panel controller. It already has 200 watt solar panel on the roof, battery disconnect switch, solar panel controller. Now, one thing people, they never realize, this is the gel coated sidewall. So if you see, it's a smooth as well. You see my reflection. Why? Because it's the thicker version. This is also, it has heated enclosed underbelly. So whole entire unit is heated and enclosed. This is the 2 power awning with LED light. In the back, they give you everything. Class 3 hitch. You could tow 3,000 pounds with a 4-way plug. You have a backup camera, ladder, expandable hookup on the back. And then this side, you will see the 2 slide out. This is the big slide out opposing the other one. And this is the bedroom slide. You have endless hot water heater. 60,000 PTU tankless hot water heater, endless. And then you see here, I like that split door. So you could access your, this is the outside shower, hot and cold. And then the city water connections, the sandy flush connections. And then you open the other half. That's neat. And you could see, this is the auto leveling system. Come with it. But look how beautiful this big pass-through storage. So it's amazing full storage you're going through. And I like the way they did the door split. That's neat for this year. You have the 2 propane tank, 20 gallon each. As well, you have the full storage on the front with spare tires and the power cord and the battery pack. Now let's go inside and see the 30ML inside. They kept the same living area as the 360ML. Just they make it shorter in the middle. So you still have the same amenities. You have the nice big microwave, the 30-inch microwave in the back. You have a lot of storage here above the microwave. And then you have the solid surface countertop, the 3-way sink, the rinse, the shower fall, the cup rinse, the high-rise faucet, the soap dispensers. You have your dishwasher right there. dishwasher, same. And then you have a place for trash can and a lot of tinsel doors. Nice finishing. And then you have the 3-burner range with the nice backsplash, the black and the gold oven, nice cooking pans. And then you have the big pantry, so no worries, your huge pantry. The big door, fridge and freezer. This is what I call it. You guys, you should know what I say this. This is the appliances counter. So you put your coffee maker, your toasters, your blenders, more storage, more storage, more storage. Look how deep it is. As well in the top. So you're getting all that. And then this is, you have solid service, beautiful dining table in the middle. So when I'm sit here, I could watch the game. My friend could sit on the recliners, the wife sit on the sofas. Everybody could watch the TV and the fireplace and these nice portable Bluetooth speakers. It's amazing unit. I mean, and then again, don't forget, there's a big hidden pantry behind the TV and the fireplace. It gives you 3 seating area, the recliners, the sofa, the dining table, as well you still have the office. And then the office you could use is the shelf for store things, or you could raise it up and you could get your feet in and work. And even when you work, you have a nice, beautiful big window, fresh air, doors, both sides. This is flip up. You could store things in your office like staples, pencils, and so on, papers, whatever you like. 3 doors here for your office, another 3 doors for files. You could put your desktop there, your laptop here, a printer there, you name it. Walking from this office, you have a beautiful, big, I mean, they're huge recliner, swivel rocker recliners. As you could see, I could recline them if I want, or I could close it. I could go this way if I want, and then voila, and push on it. Push, push, push. I'm tired. Love it. And then you have the big TV, the fireplace, the Bluetooth, the hidden pantry, storage underneath it. You have a nice sofa. It's a hide-a-bed sofa. So when I sit here, I could have a nice conversation with the people sitting on the table, the people sitting in the recliners, and everybody could sit here and watch the TV. Beautiful LED lights. It has the 18,000 PTU new air condition. As well, you have another air condition in the bedroom. It's roomy. I mean, again, kitchen, dining, living area. Let's go inside and see the bathroom. You walk in. This is the bathroom, but let's go to the bedroom. Oh, it has the nice versatile bed. It's very simple and easy. You come over here and you push, and the whole bed go down. And oh, I'm closing the slide. So this the switch, how you close the slide. I want to show you both way. So there's 2 switches here. You have one for slide out. You have to have the Versa tilt bed incliner in an upper position, and then you could close the slide out. So now that's how you close the slide. Slide is closed. That's you do it. Now let's open the slide, and then I'm opening the slide out right now. Again, this bed is a king size. Then at the same time, I want to show my customer here is beautiful. Love it. Love it. Everything is push button. Voila. I have my king size bed. Down. Voila. Beautiful king size bed. 2 people could sleep on it. And even, folks, even with the bed is down, look the distance between the mattress and this. So you still could walk, no question asked, no problem. Get plenty of room. If you decide you want more room, all you have to do, up position. Voila. And now look the distance between here and there. Washer dryer prep and a big closet. I could stand in it just to show you how deep it is. And there you sit here. And you have a small bench here if you want to sit and do your shoes. Bathroom, they give you everything. Nice big mirrors, LED light, big sink, porcelain toilet, storage, linens, and love this marble. I love this marble. I actually wish I had this in my house. Voila. So this is the 301 ml, same as the 360 ml here, but a shorter in the middle. Come to Best RV because again, no matter what you get, brainwash from the other competitors say, hey, you can't sell for less. No, we sell them for less. We have the best prices. We have no hidden fees. We're straight to the point. We're straightforward. No gimmick. We don't make profit like the other dealers. A little bit and push inventory. So come to Best RV and grab this unit at the special price we offer to you. Come in.